Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to sing another word family song. Can you remember what a word family is? It's a collection of sounds that you use to make other words, like a and t put together make at, and then you can add the sound b to make the word bat, or k to make the word cat. Today we're going to look at the word families of ed, n and et. Are you ready? Well, come on then, let's go. Whoa!
Yo, what's up, little learners? It's the word family rap. Check it out. You and me are the word family. When we learn these sounds, they can help us to read. You got and d, ed, b, ed, bed, ed, fed, ed, led, ed, ned, ed, red, ed, shed, ed, wed, ed, zed, bed, fed, led, ned. Listen to the word family of ed. Red, shed, wed, zed. Listen to the word family of ed. You and me are the word family. When we learn these sounds, they can help us to read. You got and n, n, b and ben, d and den, and hen, and men, p and pen, t and ten, and then, w and when.
Ben, den, hen, men.
Listen to the word family of N. Pen, ten, then, when. Listen to the word family of N. You and me are the word family. When we learn these sounds, they can help us to read. You got and t, et, g, et, get, j, et, jet, et, let, et, met, et, net, p, et, pet, s, et, set, et, vet, get, jet, let, met. Listen to the word family of et. Net, pet, set, vet. Listen to the word family of et. You and me are the word family. When we learn these sounds, they can help us to read. You and me are the word family. When we learn these sounds, they can help us to read.
Wow, that was cool. Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Oh, and maybe you can keep an eye out for my live show. Maybe I'm coming to your town. See you soon. Bye.